What is actually soap? Every bar of soap is made with an acid, a fat, and an alkali, lye. The alkali most commonly used is sodium hydroxide. When you mix oil with lye, this will create a process called saponification, resulting in soap. Soap is an excellent cleanser because soap mixes with both water and oil. This means that while oil, which attracts dirt, doesn't naturally mix with water, soap can suspend oil and dirt in such a way that it can be removed and finally rinsed off with water. There are many types of soaps depending on their recipes and ingredients. There are a lot of great oil choices for a good bar of soap. Every oil has a special quality. Olive oil is known for its moisturizing properties. Coconut oil has good cleansing qualities. And castor oil is known to provide creaminess. This recipe here is a well-balanced common soap recipe that consists of 5 different oils, as you can see here. It means that all these 3 oils are present in your oil part of the soap. A question I have been often asked is, how do you calculate percentages? You can say that 100% is the entire thing. Therefore, 50% is half of the entire thing. If you have 100 people, 50% would be 50 people out of the 100 people. If you have 50 people, your 50% would be 25 people. In this case, 100% is the total weight of your oils combined. And here you can see an illustrated breakdown. In case your oil weight would be 100 ounces, it would be very easy to calculate. But we don't always make the exact same amount of soap, and the percentages apply to all batch sizes, small or very large, the exact same way. So how do we manage to recalculate the amounts of our ingredients? We use a lye calculator. Here is an example. You could go to the Brambleberry website at brambleberry.com, where you will find a free lye calculator. First, you select the type of soap that you want to make. In our case, it's a solid soap, and the units of your preference. I will choose grams. Now add the superfat level. I will take 5%. And then you enter the percentages of the soap recipe as it is. For example, olive oil is 30% of the recipe, so just type in 30 and then you do the same for all other oils used in the recipe that you want to make. You will get the oils calculated in relation to the water and lye ratio if you were to make 100 grams. Now you can go ahead and choose the total yield of your oils, and the lye calculator will recalculate all ingredients, including water and lye, according to your new yield size. It's very simple. Notice how the percentages of the oils remain the same for any type of batch size that you want to make. Let's try another batch size using ounces this time as the unit. As you can see also here, the percentages for every oil remain the same as in the original recipe. The lye calculator works for every recipe, even if you are just using one type of oil. The same applies for the phone app. Here you can save all your recipes and change the batch size on the go. Very practical and very easy. If you are interested in other soap making related videos, check out the playlist on the screen, where you will find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye!